Hi third graders, welcome back to another Ylog video, and I hope you guys are staying safe just like the last few videos that we did together. We are only gonna go over the highlighted ones, the ones that I highlighted, and the rest you guys can do on your own. So you can use my example as a guide while you are doing your own problems. So let's start off with page 1, missing addends, and I highlighted number 9. So number 9 is 46 plus blank equals 48. So in order to find the blank spot, you have to subtract 48 minus 46. So let's do that. 48 minus 46. So you start with the ones place, subtract it. 8 minus 6 is 2. Then the tens place, 4 minus 4 is 0. So you can say your answer is 2, but if you're not sure if your answer is correct or not, you can check your work. So I'm going to write a check place right here, and I'm going to show you how to check. You're saying 2 goes in here, right? So if 2 is right here, then we can add 46 plus 2. So let's do it. 46 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 0 is 4. Now, is this answer the same as this one? This number right here? Yes, it is. So that means your answer is 2. That means the answer you got is correct. Now, just in case you don't get it, I'm going to try the subtraction sign, the one with the subtraction sign. 35 minus blank is 6. So in order to get that, you have to subtract this number by this number. For the addition problem, we subtracted the end number by the front number, right? But this time we're going to subtract 35 minus 6, the front number, by the back number. Let's do that. 35 minus 6. 5 minus 6. You can't do that, right? So you are going to cross this off, and change to a 2. You're going to subtract 3 minus 1 and get 2. And because you borrowed, you can add another 1 right here, and the 5 becomes a 15. So we're going to do 15 minus 6, which is 9. And then you do 2 minus 0, and you get 2. So is your answer really 29? If you're not sure, you can always check. Let's check. If you're going to put 29 in this blank spot right here, you have to do 35 minus 29, and you get 5 minus 9. Okay, just like I showed you, you have to you have to borrow. So 3 minus 1 is 2, and you add another 1 right here, and then you have to do 15. The 5 becomes a 15, minus 9 is 6, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So your answer is 6. Is this answer the same as this answer? Yes, it is. So that means 29 would go in here. Okay, now we're gonna go over number 13, and this page is about place values. 100 plus 40 plus 9. So there are two ways you can do this. You can add it, or you can do it in your brain mentally, but I'm just going to show you how to add it, or do it algebraically. So let's write it out. 100 plus 40 plus 9. Okay, so you first need to go with the ones place, which is right here, and then 0 plus 9 is 9. Then you go over to the tens place. 0 plus 4 is 4. Then you go over to the hundreds place. 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. So your answer would be 149. And number 16 is 18 times 2. So you're multiplying a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. So let's show our work. 18 times 2. So you first go over to the ones place. You multiply the ones place first. Up and down. That's our first step. Up and down. So 8 times 2 is 16. So you would put 6 right here and 1 on the top. Then you have to multiply this way. Okay? So if you multiply this way, diagonally, what's 2 times 1? 2. And then you have to add 1. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. And you get 36. And 36 is your answer for number 16. Let's go on to the last and final page, and that is word problems. Susie has 15 pieces of chocolate. She gets 23 more pieces from her friends at her birthday party. How many pieces of chocolate does she have now? So, Susie started with 15 pieces of chocolate. So, Susie has 15 pieces. But right here in the problem, after the first sentence, it says she gets 23 more pieces from her friends at her birthday party. So she earned. So would you subtract 23 or would you add 23? Yes, you add 23 because she gained. She got more pieces of chocolate from her friends. So you would do plus 23 pieces. And then the question is asking how many pieces of chocolate does she have now? Now, in order to answer the question, you have to add these together to find how many pieces of chocolate she has. So let's add them. 15 plus 23. You start off with the ones place. This isn't like multiplication. You add up and down. So 5 plus 3 is 8. And then you add up and down again. 1 plus 2 is 3. So your answer for number 2 is 38. So you would write 38 and make sure to label pieces of chocolate. So that is all I have for you guys today, and I hope you guys understood what I taught you. If not, keep on watching the videos. And bye. Thank you.